everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Highlight to Favour. Guys, welcome. If you just see me for the first time, my name is Favour. This is a food and lifestyle channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. You're the best. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always supporting your girl. You all are awesome. I just want to thank you all. We got to 500 already. We're hitting 1K pretty soon. Thank you all so much. I know I haven't posted for like 3 weeks. I'm back this time. I'm back with some new recipes, yummy recipes, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So today, guys, I will be sharing this tasty yummy recipe with you. It's Chinese fried rice, and it's pretty easy, fast, simple. You all know I already like simple, fast, and easy meals, so I try my best to bring it to you all. So today I'll show you how to make this simple Chinese fried rice, and it's yummy. I will show you guys the ingredients pretty soon. And also, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please I'm begging you, subscribe. Go down below is the big red subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a video, you get notified. You don't have to ask, oh, has Favour posted a video? Come check. Just turn on your post notification and I got you all covered. Also, give me a big thumbs up, like this video, share, and leave me a comment below. Guys, I've said enough. Let's just go to the kitchen and make this food, okay? And let's go. So these are the ingredients I'll need for the Chinese fried rice. Rice, some shrimps, sausages, chicken, that's chicken breast, vegetables, spring onions, all 3 color of pepper, carrots, some eggs, the salt, garlic is necessary, and these are all the ingredients. I already measured the portion I need, so that's what you see in the little plates. Soy sauce, that's my all-purpose seasoning, and that's all we need, guys. So I'm just gonna wash them and start chopping them up. So these are the vegetables. I already chopped and diced them, and you're ready to go. I did the same thing for the chicken and the sausages. In a clean dry pan, add a little bit of oil and leave to heat up a bit. Then you go in with the diced or chopped garlic. I use the garlic for extra flavor. I don't want to use onions. And this chicken is already marinated. I put a little bit of seasoning and just to give it extra taste. And you stir fry the chicken. You want to turn this and stir it all around so it doesn't burn. It just leaves it cook. So the chicken is almost ready. I just keep on doing this till it cooks properly. After taking out the chicken in that same pan, add the shrimps to it and stir fry. So it's actually the same process. You just want to stir fry this, let it cook a bit, and you take it out of the pan when it's ready. Just the same routine, I'm gonna add the sausages. Basically, this is a very easy and explanatory meal. You just do all the step by step and you're good to go. So after this step, we start with the vegetables. Now I'll be frying the onions, just stir this a little while and add the garlic to it. At this point, everywhere smells so good. At this point, I'll be going in with the vegetables. I'll start with the spring onions. Just stir this a little bit. I want everything to cook together. I don't want some to be soft and some still hard. Actually, I like my vegetables milled. So it depends on how you like your vegetables. And now I'll be going in with all the peppers, the bell peppers, all color of peppers, and the habanero pepper. Just stir this all together. Guys, can you look at the color? Oh my, it looks attractive already. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna stir this and I'll leave it to just heat up a little bit, just a tiny bit, so it doesn't get too soft. Just look how it is, guys. It looks so attractive. And now I'll be going in with the carrot so everything cooks up together. So the carrots are into little chunks. I cut them really tiny. That's because you want it to look really attractive when it's in the rice. You want everything to come out really nice. You don't want the big chunks in your Chinese fried rice, so you're just gonna cut them little bits. And I'll add all the seasoning that contains minced onions, no seasoning, and now I'll be adding the soy sauce and stir this all together. Now I'll be adding a little bit of curry, just 2 teaspoons. And also I'll be adding salt to taste. At this point, you want to check for taste to know if everything is right. Then you add all the stuff you stir fried, the chicken, the shrimps, the eggs, the sausages, and you stir it together. So once you get to this stage, you know, okay, we are half gone and the vegetable is ready. And that's it, guys. You just leave this for like a minute to cook up and it's ready. So I'll be going in with the rice. I already washed this rice for like twice and it's basmati rice. So I'm just gonna put it on the stove. And I'll be going in with some chicken stock. So I had this in the fridge and you can make fresh one if you want, but I already had this in the fridge and I'm just gonna put this chicken stock in there. Some people add water, but it's actually best to add chicken stock if you have it, because it adds to the rice, it gives it extra flavor that you don't want to ever miss out. So I'm gonna stir this all together. So if you see that you need more, if you're using water or you're using the chicken stock, you just have to add more to it so your rice cooks properly. I added a little bit of water and now it's leveled up with the rice. I'm just gonna go in and put some seasoning so it tastes good. I'm adding the all-purpose seasoning or the Knorr seasoning, just a little bit. Because remember, we already have enough seasoning in the vegetable sauce. And you're gonna add everything together, so you don't wanna put much on here and have that one. It's gonna be excess. Just stir this together and leave to boil. I don't like the bay leaf on it. I'm just gonna take it out. It came from the chicken stock. So now the rice is cooked to some extent. It's cooked to the way I like it. You can see it's long, it's ready, not too soft, not too hard. It's just perfect. I'm just gonna be going in with the vegetables right now and stir it up together. Okay, so this pan is just way too small for it. It is way too small. I'm gonna change it into a bigger pot. So guys, it looks so yummy, so good, so colorful. I can't wait to try it out. At this point, I'm just ready to dig in. I am so ready. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, share this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Support your girl, always come back. And till then, see you in my next video. Mwah. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go down below. There are links to my previous recipes and just click on them. It will take you to all my previous step-by-step recipes. Thank you. Bye.